My name is Girish. My full name is Girish Chandra Kumar. I am the greatest man ever born on earth. I'll give the proof of it later. But now I want to tell you almost everything because nobody have figured out lot of things properly. For that, I have divided the subject matter into two parts. One is set of technical things, two a set of non-technical things. I have written two books. One is Book of Universe. It's a bit scientific and mathematical. It describes atoms, molecules, light to Big Bang. The other is Book of Life. It describes origin of life, evolution to humans, how to get fame, money, children, to society, politics, intelligence systems, and so on. It's a handbook of life. It's written for general public. I'm a doctor patient, so I can't talk much. So you have to read those books for more details. They are less than 100 pages each. This series is about Book of Life. Book of Life is just not one great book, but it is the greatest book ever written. In it, it has everything about life. It is the answer to every question in life. So you read it and know it line by line. It is translated to at least 20 languages. It will be read by everyone in every generation. It's a handbook on how to live. What is life? What is the purpose of my life? How to do things that I have to do in my life. This book is the answer for all life's questions. So, everyone should know it as a prerequisite to lead a better life. So, this will be constantly kept updated. You don't find jewels on the floor, but you find jewels in this book. This book has these all chapters. The first chapter is called Brief History of Life. It describes origin of life and evolution to humans. It describes how plants came, how multicellular organism came, how life was split to males and females, and so on. The second chapter lays foundation for the future chapters. It describes law of life. The third chapter is on money. It describes what it is, how it works, and how to get it. The fourth chapter is about women and children. That is reproduction. It describes the law of love. The fifth chapter is on health. That is how to maintain a good health to enjoy life. The sixth chapter is on social reforms. Our world is stuck with a few things. It describes what they are. and how to fix them. The seventh chapter describes what is intelligence. Basically, gives scientific meaning to everything. Each chapter deals with the death. Ninth chapter basically gives knowledge from all. This is about Book of Universe. Book of Universe is obviously the second greatest book ever written. You need to have some knowledge of science and maths to explore this. This book completely redefines science. It explains new model of atom. Also, it explains nature of light and energy creation and working of the universe. Instead of chapters, this has all these parts. The first part is on new model of atom. Quantum mechanics says electrons, either as waves or particles, spin around the nucleus. But this new model proposes a static model of atom in which electrons are sticking to each other and to a nucleus. With this model, all chemistry and radiation is explained. The second part is on light. It explains how light particle or photon originates and how light is different from electromagnetic waves. In the process, deriving all the basic equations of quantum mechanics. The third part is basically doing the impossible, that is energy creation, not on experimental scale but on industrial scale. Then the world economics will change. The fourth part describes Big Bang and multiverse. That is how the universe operates and come into existence. The fifth part is basically a collection. It describes lots of laws of mechanics and electricity which are just stated. It describes lots of things meantime. These books are available in Amazon Kindle. So, to buy them, search in Google as Book of Life by Girish in Amazon Kindle and Book of the Universe by Girish in Amazon Kindle.